got these little LED bulbs. It only came with 2, so I'm just gonna put them on the center ones, and later I'll just order more. These are the map lights, the ones in the front. I already installed the LEDs. I have these for the reverse lights as well, which I'm gonna install. I don't know if I'm gonna get to it today, but they'll be on. And I got this cool little phone stand too. It's pretty badass. And these old yellow ones. All the brother just came, freaking wake my ass up. Wanted me to check one of his cars, but one of his cars is a hybrid. So let's check it out. It's a Ford C-Max 2014. Supposedly his AC's not working, so let's see what we can do.
Yeah, the one with the orange cable, I think.
Orange cable, dude, that's a hybrid cable.
Because the thing is, like, it would blow cold, and then all of a sudden it would just stop blowing cold.
It's just gonna explode. The car's on?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
It's a fucking hybrid.
No wonder your AC don't work. You see how it has that black connector right there at the top? Under the orange. That one goes to the compressor as well.
Yeah.
So the orange one goes to this thing right here. So it's grounded. So what, does it ground or what?
Look, this is your tube thing, or that one that you told me about, I think.
Does this
Actually, yeah, that is a compressor.
Does this show the
But the thing is, the fuse for the AC compressor is under here.
fuse?
I took it out and I checked it. No cold?
Oh, no. Look at this shit.
But like, you'll hear it click. Okay. Which is are you looking at?
It is 1 o'clock, well 1:30. We're on our way to my ex's brother's place. Just gonna do a little something for my daughter's birthday with her family. On Tuesday, that's when me and my family are gonna do something for her, which is June 2nd. But yeah, right now, just taking a little family drive over to Uncle Luis's house. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Like I said, I mean, me and my ex, we have a really good, well, me and my kid's mother, we get along really well. Yeah, I mean, we disagree a lot on a lot of things, but you know, at the end, we always, you know, always agree. We always agree. So right now, we're about to get on the freeway, and yeah, so we'll see you guys at Luis's house.
Because I can't.
Got my boy right here, Basic Vlogs. Follow him, subscribe, comment, tell him how ugly he is. I don't care. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vivi. Happy birthday to you. Bravo! Hey guys, so we just got our packages right now. This is the new edition for the Escalade. When I drive, sometimes it gets a little annoying, just because I still have the cassette. What is it? The cassette auxiliary cord, I guess. I ordered actually, you'll see. So this first box, the aftermarket connector. Oh yeah, that's their installation kit on it. So we got in this box. I was gonna try to do some footage actually doing or wrapping the Escalade. We got a little Soundstream Bluetooth. It does not have the CD player. So I mean, who uses CDs nowadays, right? Not that bad. It was only 35 bucks. It wasn't too expensive. It didn't hurt the wallet that much. I wouldn't say it didn't hurt it. So we got the whole setup. I'll try to put in a video of me installing it. Before and after. If you guys have any questions, if you guys want to install stereo on your O2 Escalade, let me know. This harness actually and this kit only goes up to the O2 GM, so I think it was like 89 to like O2, I think, and then after that it's like a bigger installation kit or something like that. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Alright guys, so this is the old stereo right here. We're gonna remove it and put the new one right here. Alright, so step one, remove the stereo. I didn't know I had two harnesses. Now we gotta put this one with the stereo harness. Alright, so this is what came in the packaging of the new stereo. We got this nice little pouch. I'm guessing it's for the face. And this is the new stereo. Like I said, it doesn't have a CD player, that's why it's so short. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so this is the test. I'll turn on the switch. Nice. So it's really good. Awesome sign. Auxiliary, Bluetooth, radio. Pretty nice stereo. This is a stereo actually installed on my brother's Ford Focus. So you guys could get it at Amazon. It's 35 bucks. Really cheap, inexpensive. You know, I ordered it and it came this morning actually before noon. Awesome product. For 35 bucks, you cannot beat that. I know there's a Boss one, Soundstream. I've dealt with Soundstream a lot. Their amps, their stereos, of course, even their double dins or their in-dash, really awesome. You guys saw, I rewired it all up. Turns on fine. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put the installation kit. I'm gonna mount it up right here. So I think I got the wrong installation kit. This one didn't really mount correctly. The original stereo had these little sliding locks right here. There's no way I could put it on the new installation kit, nor did it come with it. Anyways, at least I got a Bluetooth stereo now.